No more confusion. Mastering the modal verb need. Hello, English learners. Today we are going to uncover the mysteries of the modal verb need. This word is widely used in English, but its proper use can sometimes be tricky. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on how to use need to express both necessity and lack of necessity. Let's get started. Need is a versatile modal verb that we use to express necessity or requirement. You could think of need as a way of saying that something is important or necessary. For example, I need to finish this assignment by tomorrow. This statement indicates a strong requirement. Finishing the assignment is necessary. When we talk about something being necessary, we often use need. It can express something we must do or something that is essential. Here's an example. You need to eat healthy to maintain a good immune system. In this sentence, the act of eating healthy is shown as a necessity for a good immune system. Things get interesting when we use need in questions and negative statements. In these cases, need can often express the lack of necessity. For example, in the question, "Do I need to bring a jacket?" the response could be, "No, you don't need to." Here, need is used to communicate that bringing a jacket is not necessary. A contraction of need not, needn't is a more informal way to express lack of necessity. It's commonly used in British English but less so in American English. For instance, "You needn't worry about the test, you're well prepared." This sentence communicates that worrying is unnecessary because you're well prepared. And there you have it. The modal verb need decoded. Remember, it's all about context. Whether need indicates necessity or lack of necessity can hinge on how the sentence is structured. Practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from using need in your conversations and writings. I hope this video has been helpful and, as always, keep practicing and happy learning.